Hey, I made the world generation. Yeah, I know, it has never been done before. And it's not like I just googled it or anything, right? Anyway, let's start with Berlin Noise. It's a really overused program which takes a number and generates a funky line, and if you get the two lines and combine them, 2D Berlin Noise. Then you get a plane, put a noise on top of that, then black turns to lowest height, white to the highest height, then you just go blip blop blip blop blip blop, and our first terrain is finally done, and it's kinda shitty. To make it better, you get a few terrains. Make one bigger, another one smaller, and... terrain number 2, a slightly better one. This move is actually called Fractal Brownian Motion. Don't mind me, I don't know what any of that means. We could actually stop here, but I want our terrain to be infinite, destructible, and not look like shit, because it would be really cool as well. To make it infinite, we can just look at other games with infinite terrain, like, I don't know. And in Minecraft, world is made from chunks, where each chunk is a chunk of the world, like, literally. And it works like this. When the player is moving, chunks are generating. Yeah, it sounds really easy, and it obviously worked from the first try, obviously. Alright, maybe I took a few tries, but it worked. And this is the infinite terrain. So now we can move on to making it destructible. And we need a game with destructible terrain to understand how it works. Wait, I think we already have one. So, in Minecraft, there's blocks. Yeah, who would have thought it's literally a block game. You can place blocks, you can break blocks, which makes the world destructible. And this is exactly what we want. So you just grab your world and put the land blocks on the ground and the air blocks everywhere else. And voila! Infinite destructible terrain. In theory, I haven't made destruction yet. But now we have a little bit of a problem. It looks like shit. It was smooth just a minute ago, but now it looks like a fucking Minecraft Scuffed edition. But how can we make it smooth without removing the blocks? The answer is... yeah, our world is full of blocks, but it only looks that way. Inside of blocks, we actually have voxels. And the voxels is the heart of a block. Not literally, it's like a core or something. And the voxels are the reason our world is destructible, which means we can just get rid of blocks entirely. Then, we divide our world into different type of blocks, and using some magic table which I googled just a second ago, we decide what to put on each block. And here we go. Not actually smooth terrain, apparently. Bro, why can't it just work? Okay, to make it truly smooth, we need to add size to each voxel. Let's say if size is 1, then it's a big boy. If it's 0, then it's basically nothing, so it's just an air voxel because there's nothing at all. Duh. And with that, we can finally have infinite destructible smooth terrain, which is too many titles to a piece of shit like that. And we still haven't solved final problem. It looks like shit. Let's spice it up a little. First, we would add a few materials. Dirt, sand, stone, all that stuff. And now it's a little better. Next, we add some textures. Oh, wait, I need to actually make textures and stuff, never mind. Let's just make that every triangle would have a slightly different color, like a 50 shades of green or something. And here we go, a little less like shit. And how about a little bit of trees? I found that tree in Asset store because, you know, and with a little bit of Berlin noise, boom, trees. And the final touch is post-processing. A little bit of lighting, different skybox, etc. With all of that, it looks only half as shit, which is the best thing I could do, let's be honest. That's it. Our terrain is finally done. Almost done, it actually misses chunks, caves, water, and we still didn't make proper terrain modification, but we may do that another time. Bye.